What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Raul. Today we're gonna be working on the RSX. I know I haven't shown you guys the RSX in a while. I've changed a couple of things here and there. Nothing too major, but you know, like basic maintenance or whatnot. But today actually we're gonna change the lock actuator. My passenger door, for some reason, it doesn't want to unlock or lock with the switch or with the the little key fob. So for like example, when I try to unlock and lock this door with the little switch, it won't work, but on the other side it will. So it's just this side that doesn't work. This is the part that I'm gonna be switching out from the passenger side. You can get it from AutoZone for like $50. It comes with a lifetime warranty, so you know it's pretty worth it, I guess. But let's get to it and take off that panel. Don't want to lose this. We straight, we didn't break it. So I managed to take off the panel completely. Turns out I don't have a little plastic shield for the cold air not to come in during the winter. Well, my heater don't work anyways, but you know. Yeah, so I've never really done this, but it's just a couple of bolts. You gotta take out this one, these three, and I believe that's it. There's supposed to be a clip right here, but I guess I don't have it. To take off the panel, there's just a couple of bolts. 2 bolts right here behind the little handle. The little panel, you take it out, there's like 2 bolts right here. And then pretty much everything else is just clips. And just pull it out carefully, you know. Alright guys, so I got it out. I got the unit out of the door. Here's the lock actuator that I'm gonna replace. It looks like there's a bracket holding everything in place, and it looks like there's only one screw that's holding the bracket, and I should be able to take that out. It took me a while. I had to look up some kind of things. I had to search up a couple YouTube videos, but you know, we got it out. It's all good. So let's just take out this bracket and replace this and try to put it back in. So let me just show you guys. So right now it's open. I'm gonna lock you real quick. Now it's locked. We on. And I'm gonna show you guys from the inside. Just show you that it works now. So that's pretty much it. That's everything that I'm gonna install for today. This video is not really a tutorial. It's just, I guess, I didn't really show you guys step by step, but you know, just a little enhancement to my car. For the rest of the video, I'm just gonna fill you guys in on what I've installed in my car that I haven't posted on YouTube. I didn't record it. I just installed it myself. I don't know. There isn't anybody there to help me. I shouldn't need anybody to help me record, but you know, let me fill you guys in on what I have done. All right, guys. So we're gonna start off with the interior. So I don't know if you guys remember, but this was not here before. I did not have a stereo. It was just a hole in the dash. You know, I didn't have a stereo, but now I do. I also got 2 new speakers. I didn't install these myself. I had to pay someone to do it for me, because I tried to install my stereo once, the old one that I had, and it was just, I don't know, I just couldn't do it, and I just got frustrated, so I just paid someone to do it for me. Let's just move on to the hood, under the hood. All right, so let's move on to the performance wise. So I don't know if you guys remember, I bought a new bumper, and as you can see, I already hit something. Yeah. But it is plastic, and what I was thinking is I could just probably melt it back together, you know, mush it together, and it'll be, you know, back to normal. But anyways, let's move on. So another thing that I replaced on this car is the master and the slave cylinder. All of a sudden, like I was just driving, and then the clutch would just stay at the bottom and it wouldn't come back up. I honestly thought it was the clutch, but it turns out a friend told me to check the master. It could be the master. So I switched out the master, and it looks like it was. And I mean, might as well change the slave cylinder, right? Change the master and the slave. And I also got innovative engine mounts, motor mounts. This one recently broke, and luckily, like, innovative provides like a warranty, So I just like sent them a picture, and like they just sent me the part and just replaced it, and well, everything's good now. Okay, so probably next video I'll just do like a little video of me like melting the plastic together, the rubber or whatever, and see if that makes it look better. So I guess this is the end of the vlog. Sorry I haven't been posting about the RSX, but hopefully I'll get new parts soon for it and show it some love. And yeah, more content coming soon for you guys. Hope you guys like the video, a little update on the RSX. But if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, leave a like. Yeah, catch you guys next time. All right, Danny, close the video, man.